Okay, then what?
Then you're going to cut that red wire and let the entity in. All we need now is for Ethan to get that pill.
He'll figure it out.
Remember, we'll figure out to go to school. We'll figure out to go to school until August 2026. So, we'll figure out to go to school for first day of school until August 2026. So, we'll figure out to go to school. We'll figure out to go to the beach in Texas until Tuesday, June 16th. So we'll figure out to go to Ohio on July 29. We'll figure out we'll figure out. We will figure out to go to Cedar Point in Ohio. So we will figure out to go to. We went to Disney this year. We went to New York from a couple years ago. So wait. We'll figure out to go to school for first day of school. We'll figure out for tomorrow. So we'll figure out for pack up on Sunday, June 14th. So airplane to clouds in Texas. It's Southwest Airline or Emirates Airline or Air France, British Airways. We'll figure out to go on an airplane on Tuesday on Southwest Airline we'll figure out. So, we'll figure out to go to the airports in Houston, Texas on an Uber to Houston Hobby Airport in Houston, Texas. That's so funny, but I guess it's Mission Impossible, the movie, is so funny. And I love Mission Impossible, the movie, a lot. So we'll figure out to go to different school in 2029 by Gelsos.